Hi there, my name is Andrew Tomba. I am a 22-year veteran with the Charlotte Fire Department. I'm currently a driver, engineer, operator on Ladder 4, busy uptown ladder company in the city. Run approximately 4,500 calls last year. COVID has curbed that a little bit this year for us, but we're picking back up. The Charlotte Fire Department is a large metropolitan fire department in North Carolina. We currently have 8 battalions, 43 engine companies, 15 ladder companies, 2 heavy rescues. We have an airport with multiple crash trucks, our certified firefighters. And in that group of companies, we also have what are called police assist companies. We have multiple throughout the city. Those companies are detailed with our local police department. We detail onto with the SWAT and CMPD's CEU, or Civil Emergency Units, which is basically the riot police. Our goal for that is to provide a force multiplier for the police department in the manner of patient care, medical assistance, and tactical rescue situations. We've already been used multiple times since about 2012. We started working on this about 2014, and we've been used multiple times since then. The training that I was actually looking for the grant to involve with the training situation. What I would like to do is get all our police assist companies, all the personnel that are currently assigned to those companies, into the Tactical Medical Practitioners course. It's an 80-hour course. It's a comprehensive tactical emergency medical services class. It builds upon what every firefighter in Charlotte is currently an EMT or greater. It builds on that in a more tactical setting, more tactically sound setting. Basically taking what we know from our standard EMS practices and putting it into a tactical situation, dealing in small groups, dealing with small unit tactics with the police, SWAT, and CEU units, just to broaden our horizon and our education into that type of scenario, which is relatively uncommon for the general on-the-street firefighter. And that is how the funding would benefit the best, is we would get a good, sound, tactical base to go with the units that we're working with. The financial need is quite simple. The Charlotte Fire Department's training budget is already pretty well used up with what is required now. Our standard firefighting training throughout the year. There isn't a ton of extra money out there. This class is a rather expensive class because of its comprehensive abilities and the amount of information it covers, the amount of time, and what is involved in this class. Roughly, it's over $1,000 per student, give or take. The justification for this is there's a lot of justification that we have for this. First off, we're a large metropolitan fire department. We're a very high-profile city. Charlotte is the second, as of right now, last I've checked, we're second in banking in the nation. We have pro sports venues. We have the Charlotte Panthers, Carolina Panthers, Charlotte Panthers, whatever. Carolina Panthers, we have multiple AAA ball teams, American Hockey Leagues, the Charlotte Hornets, Charlotte Motor Speedway right up the road. We're on a national stage on a regular basis. We also recently had the RNC here. In the past, we've had the DNC here. And current societal changes and pressures that we're seeing a lot more civil unrest. We've had multiple protests and riots just over the past few months. So that is ramping up, along with other stuff that other fire departments deal with. We've already been deployed several times, and this class would just give us a deeper understanding of what we can and cannot accomplish with the police department. I would also like to see the police department send a couple of their guys through this class with us, so we could bring that whole group together and work together towards a good goal of a tactically sound group of highly trained medical personnel that can assist with multiple things. We've already been deployed. In 2016, we had major riots following an officer-involved shooting. We had recent deployments with riots and protests over some other issues, even stuff that didn't happen in our city. And CMPD, the police officers on the ground level that we're operating with, have really taken to us being there. They've recognized what we can offer. I would like to see us be able to offer more and be more tactically sound and be a better asset to what we're currently doing, to build upon it. As of right now, we're doing a lot. We've trained a lot. I would like to see just more training and in a more tactically sound format. I'd also like to see if we could get all these individuals on these companies trained up, as we've had transfers and promotions and people leave these companies. The new guys coming in, we would have a sound group of people that already have good sound knowledge in the functions and the capabilities that we would have to carry that on. So that's where I'm coming from with this funding that I would desperately like to see. I'd like to see some training from outside the city, outside the department, just to open up communication levels and open up options. So thank you for your time, and this is my presentation for the grant that is being requested.